And they said, if you want ready-made clap roti, you do the maths. 5 rows flour plus Guyanese girl equal clap roti. That's the maths. This knife is sharp. I gotta be careful. I'm talking and I'm doing this. See what I get? Good. I'm gonna show you at what point this is gonna go in. Alright? This is my bag for my garbage again. This is gonna be a little bit spicy. I want you to watch the milk how the water is bubbling. I did not add this water to it. I did not add this. This came from the meat for itself. I didn't put that water there. Alright? In case you not see me, let me I didn't add this water here. Alright? Yeah. So I just wanted to know. So this texture of meat, what I bought here is mixed. I didn't put any powder seasoning yet. I didn't put salt yet. All I have here right now is the green season, onion and garlic. That's it. Wash this now. I like to keep my kitchen clean when I'm cooking. So I'm gonna leave it open. I'm gonna leave it open to finish that that water. Alright? I don't want to bore you out, I don't want to stress you out. But here's what I want. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I want this water to go in. I can add a little bit of this. Alright? So I'm waiting for this water to go away now, basically, before I do anything else. Alright. And this is gonna take a while. I can stop the video here and restart for part 3, or I can keep the camera rolling. Whatever you guys want me to do. But for some of you who have anything to do, that frying part gonna ready in another 15 minutes. So you could do what you gotta do and come back and continue watching the video, right? But I like to clean while I cook. I don't like to see a messy stove and so on. Alright? And this is the life. I'm gonna show you what's up here. Look. Look. This is what we got. This is what we got. You see that? This is what we got. The real thing. It's bubbling. Check me out there. Alright? And I have tons of season on top there, look. But the wifey do that. I don't. I make it just like this. Alright? So, oh, let me wipe down here. I see a little bit curry over here. Alright? I don't like my countertop. Get that curry stain. Alright, so let's go. Stay tuned. Alright. See how much water I got here? Now anytime I add water to this, I got problem. The meat is gonna taste fresh. And you won't want to eat it. Alright? So you don't want to add water to this. You want this water to go away. Yeah, you want this water to go away. And you want the ginger to boil to give it that lingering texture. And this is the secret to it. The lingering texture is my ginger and my black pepper. That when you finish eat, it still lingers in your mouth. Right, Arifa? Still lingers in your mouth. But you don't want to put too much black pepper. Okay? At this point, I'm going to give it a little taste because I want to know how much salt I should add to it. Because you know, meat by itself is salty, right? I do a lot of steak, and I can tell you, meat have its own salt. Depends on where the sheep or the meat come from, right? If it's farm raised, the texture of the meat is different, the saltiness is different. If it's grass fed, it is more stiff and less salt in the meat. Point taken. So it's important to know where you get your meat from. Alright? It's important. Let's see what's going on here. I don't need any salt. I do not need salt. But the pepper is kicking. I like the pepper. Oh boy. I do not need salt anymore. Maybe when I put the potato, may want a little bit salt. But you realize, oh, I don't do a lot of salt. That is why. Meat covers. Look how much water I have here. Watch. Look at how much water. Look. All this water here. Look. And I want this water to go away. All this water to go away. Look at this. So I open up the middle because I want the water to go away real quick and leave the meat alone. I don't want the meat to get too soft. I want the water to go away. Alright, so open up the middle and let the water boil himself away. Now you see my green season showing all over the place? When I allow this to cook and fry up, that green season, like you seen here, will disappear. Like, let's see if I can show you. See all this green seasoning here? Alright? All this green seasoning here, that will go away at some point. But you don't have to stand up over the pot like I am doing right now. I just stay here because I have you on the video. And I ain't want you to get bored with me. Right? But don't forget, this is not the cook channel. This is Country Boy doing a curry step by step for a couple of people, especially my kids, asking me to do this for them. Alright? They said they go everywhere, buy food everywhere, but they never taste curry like mine. And that is why I'm doing it. Alright? And this video already run for 30 minutes. So should I stop it and bring you back when I'm ready to do the other part? Let's go to part 3. So I'm gonna log you out here. I'm gonna wait for that water to go away because there's nothing else to do. I'm gonna sit, I'm gonna play with my phone, I'm gonna put on the news and wait for that water to go away. And I'll bring you back part 3. This is part 2 you're looking at. Go before this video, you're gonna see part 1, the prep. Part 3. So let me log you out here for now and we come back. Stay tuned.